Hello peeps, and welcome back to another episode of Griffin's Wisdom Nook. Alright, so here we go. So I'm going to install this swing away hitch, right? We're going to see how it goes. We're not real sure. I'm pretty sure it's fairly simple, but you know, sometimes you just want to do things to make sure everything's comfy cozy. Alright, so here is the hitch that we put in there. Hopefully it's been installed properly. These are all the lovely tools that we get. I'm able to borrow one of these little 3/4 sockets from work. These are the instructions. I think that this guy here is already installed inside the hitch, because I don't see on the outside, and it looks like something is on the inside. So we're gonna find out. Here we go. Peace out, bros. All right, go here. We'll go here. We're gonna have this kind of go here, and then we're gonna put things on here. Let's see here. All right, here we go, bros. All right, let's take this guy off, right? Okay, so we'll have him off. So we're gonna start with this guy first. All right. Wait, this should be simple. Okay, so we got that guy there. We have that guy there. Let me see here. Where is the hole at? The hole is a lot closer than I probably want. No, you can't see it, but really, bro? You just a little bit. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh no. Hold on, bros. Okay. Alright, so we gotta take this guy. We can have these guys in here. Look at that. Right? Oh, yeah. Okay. Now I'll put him in here. Took me a minute to get lined up. You know what I mean? Just took a little bit longer than what I wanted. Here, I'll show you what I'm looking at right here. See? That right there. All right, so now just gotta I think this is where we take this guy. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right, well that's better. So we're just screwing this guy in here. I mean, I could just, there we go. So we're just hand tightening right now until I need to pop this guy back on. I mean, I'm gonna say maybe some dielectric grease or something would have been good. Maybe we'll, wait. Hold on here. This is a first time I've ever used this socket. It's like a Dollar General store type of socket, you know? And so I'm not sure how. There we go. Okay, I'm learning things. Alright, because he's got that kind of thing there. A shifter? I guess is what you call it. I don't know. Oh my gosh, girls, I'm gonna tell you, like this It's not going as smoothly as I want it to, but we got them in there. And just get a little snug, because we don't want them too tight, right? We don't want to strip things out. Then we're going to take this guy right here, and we're going to get him in there. So how does that go? I think we just pop him in. And I've got keys right there. So we just unlock it. Yeah. So this is how it looks. So you've got lock, you've got unlock. So I gotta put this in here for unlock. Notice again. So we're gonna take this guy. See if I can do this one-handed. So we're gonna put this guy here, right? Like that, I think. And he just goes like this. Yeah, looks pretty good. All right. Now there's supposed to be other things that we need, like this guy. So I think we got this guy done. Right, we got all that done. Now we need the U-bolt. Where the hell does that go? All right, so we're gonna give you back your little vantage here, but we're gonna make you a little bit further up. So, how does this go? It says tighten the clasp over the top of the receiver. Over the receiver? Okay. So it says over the receiver, like here and here, right? Where it says no step. And it's in front of this. So let's go find out. Let's go do this, girls. All right. So again, I'm gonna have to get like some dielectric grease or something, you know, something that's gonna help keep these guys from being first of all, it's gonna keep them from being rusty. Another one, it's gonna keep them conditioned. You know, lovely conditioning. All right. So take this guy off, and we take this guy off. Oh my gosh, girls. All of the things. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. This is like January 13th, and it's about, I don't know, 70 or 80 degrees. The sun here makes everything feel crazy hot. All right, so I think we put this on here. It says in the back, and then we pop this guy forward like this. And this here, I think that's how it goes. And then it said something about bolts. Okay, yeah. Looks pretty good, right? So we're gonna take this guy here. Can you see anything over there? I don't know. All right. Okay. I know, right? Just all the things. Girls, I just need you to do what you're not doing, which is screwing into this bolt. Okay? I swear to all things. Sometimes I just don't know what to do with myself, bros. Ah, there we go. Now we're catching. Trying to see something and trying to feel it is so very different, you know? It's so different. I think this socket's going to be good for that too. So take this guy. Nope, the other ways. We want the big one first, and then the little one, like that. And then, so what this is supposed to do is help everything not get shaky. Right? It's supposed to keep everything nice and nice and firm. You know, comfy, cozy, not going all willy-nilly and stuff like that, you know? I think that's what that's supposed to do. Okay, so here we go. So we're almost done with that guy. So now I'm gonna take this guy here. I'm gonna tighten him up. Bro, I'm telling you, I just don't know what to do with me sometimes. Alright, so we got that side. Now we don't want to tighten one side more than the other, because we want it to be fairly even. We want it not crazy, just really firm, so that the shaking doesn't loosen it, right? Okay. So the thing is, if you have one side tighter than the other, And that is going to pull on the other side and make it loose. So we make sure they're both nice and firm. There we go. Good job. Okay, so there's that. All right, now let's see. And I'll show you a little bit closer what that is. Right there. Okay. Okay, girls. Let's see how this is going to work. So I think I take the pin out of here, take the pin out of there, take this guy up, right? And then there's something else here. Wait. Oh, we bring this up. Oh, and then we gotta unlatch that. So this is what we're doing here. We're doing this. Nope. It's not doing it. What else do I have? Do I have another pen? What the hell? Oh, okay. So we have this guy up, right? So we're gonna bring him up from there to there. We're going to unhook him, and then I'm gonna take that knee and bring it forward. All right, that's not bad. You do want to kind of keep some grease in there and stuff like that. But this right here, it locked in place, so you just bring that out to close it. But yeah, not bad, not bad at all. All right, so I will peace out and talk to you guys later. The only thing left is putting the bike rack on, and that might take a little bit longer. We'll see how it goes. Bye.